Alright, so in this lesson, I want to show you a quick Google Ads trick that allowed me to get a 6.41 return on ad spend on $12,000 spent over those over the 5-6 months where I was scaling the store. So the reason why this is in the Facebook ads module is that this trick only works if you're already scaling with Facebook ads. Otherwise, this trick will not work. So the trick essentially is just to target brand name searches on Google Ads. So people who are searching for your brand, people who already know about your brand, you should be targeting them. And so just to show you what I mean, if I type in flex posture on Google right now, there you go. My ad pops up right away, and you know it just ensures that people sees your brand right away when they search for it. Now, if you look now, I'm actually ranked #1 for the keyword. So you know I don't 100% need this, but there's two reasons why you still want it. First of all, when you start to scale, you're not going to be ranked. Like I wasn't ranked for a long time. Like I wasn't ranked at all. I was like I'm probably in the 4th page or something. And so it helps, you know, with Google Ads, you can get to #1 right away. And another thing is that if you don't run these brand name search ads, other competitors are going to hijack you by targeting your keywords. So there's a bunch of people who are selling these posture correctors, right? And so they would try to target the keyword flex posture and they would put their ad right here. Now, the reason that they can't do this if I'm doing it is that my ad is always going to be more relevant than theirs, right? Because I actually have the real flexposture.com website. So as long as I'm doing it, they won't be able to do it. But if I wasn't doing it, it would be like a free opportunity for people to just take away my customers. And so you definitely want to take advantage of brand name searches. Now, how do you set this up? So the way that I've got it set up is I have 2 campaigns, one for the US and one for the UK, Australia, and Canada. So the 4 main countries that I was scaling to. And now, so it's really simple. All I'm doing is I'm targeting 2 keywords for each campaign. So if we go to the keywords, these are the campaigns. These are the keywords I'm targeting for each campaign. So flex posture with a space and flex posture with no space. And I've got the brackets. That means that needs to be an exact match. But this also means that this word needs to be in the keyword, but there can also be other keywords. So if someone types in like flex posture reviews, the ad is also going to pop up. And so you know, that's really essentially the whole trick. It's not complicated at all. And let me show you the ads. The ads are also very simple. So this, you know, these are the ads that I was working with. Just simple, you know, flex posture, improve your posture naturally, feel a difference instantly. You know, I tested a few variations of this ad. You know, like this one, let's see. This is a responsive search ad. So, you know, I tested a bunch of different, and this one actually works quite well. So I just have a bunch of different, you know, little lines, a bunch of different catchphrases, I guess, and headlines. And then it comes up with automatically, it'll test all the different variations and it'll put out the best one. You know, it'll put out the best one once it starts learning based on the variations. So that's all there really is to it. It's a really easy trick to take full advantage of the people who are searching for your brand already. Now, how do you set this up? You do need to have conversion tracking enabled on your analytics. So you need to install analytics on your Shopify store, and then you need to connect analytics to your Google Ads account. So how do you do that? You just go to Tools, Conversions, and then you create a new conversion, and then you import it from Google Analytics. And then this will import the conversions from your analytics from your Shopify store, and then you can create a new campaign, a new Google search campaign, with the objective of getting, conversions. So like this new campaign, and then you go to sales, and then it would automatically track the conversions since you've linked it, and then that's all you have to do. You just have to specify the keywords you want to target and make the ads. And so this literally takes like 30 minutes to set up or less, and you know, over those 5 months, it helped me generate an extra $71,000 in revenue. So this is a little tip that I wanted to share with you guys. It's super helpful, and a lot of people don't take advantage of this, so make sure that you do. Last thing, this doesn't really work with general stores, so that's why, you know, this is another benefit of one product brands. Like people aren't going to search for your general store name really on Google, but if you have a one product brand that kind of sticks, people are going to be looking for it on Google, and you can use this strategy. All right, that's it for this lesson.